Hi to all my tiny RV cooking family. I'm sorry I have not put out videos for over a month. I've been very sick and I'm unable to make videos and edit them. In the coming videos, if you see me coughing, that's pretty much why. I'm still coughing, but I'm not as bad as I was, but I'm still underneath the weather. And thank you for staying tuned. Welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification of videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today, we'll be making lemon basil chicken. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I found this recipe from Well Plated. I'll leave a link down below where you can find this great recipe at. The ingredients we're going to need are, chicken breast cut in pieces. I buy mine already cut in pieces. Half a small onion, 4 cloves of garlic, tablespoon of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, kosher salt, black pepper, basil, baby spinach, soy sauce. It's supposed to be low sodium, but I like brewed, so I'm just going to put less salt in, and olive oil. You need a big frying pan to cook it in. We're going to start off on medium, and I'm going to press start. Add olive oil to our pan. I'm going to add my onions. We're just going to cook these till they're softened. We're going to add our garlic. And we're just going to cook it for another 3 minutes. Then we're going to add our chicken afterwards. You just want to add the chicken, so if there's any juices, try to squeeze that out and leave it on the bottom. Mine has got a lot of liquid in it. We're going to cook this till it's just until it's brown. Then we're going to add our soy sauce and cook it all the way. This is when we're going to add more salt and pepper. And we're going to raise our temperature to medium-high. To this, I'm going to add my soy sauce. You want to mix it all up. Okay. I'm going to add my lemon zest. I'm just going to do it directly in the pan. Watch it so you don't get the white stuff, because that's not good tasting. That's bitter. Put it underneath. Whoops. Underneath side. We're going to need a tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to taste the chicken now, see if we need more salt and pepper. Definitely needs more. Yep, that's all, honey. Okay, we're going to add our baby spinach, or any spinach you have. Let it wilt, and we'll add more. I'm going to add my lid on and let it wilt. Basil, you want to do this till it wilts, but this is the way I got my basil from the store. So it's already pre-wilted. And now it's time to eat.
And now we're going to dish up. Looks really good. Give it a good mix again. I'm just serving it. Oh, I have a bowl and I put white rice in it. With some spinach. Now it's time to eat. Our lemon basil chicken served over white rice.
And now time for the fun part. We get to try our lemon basil chicken. I served it over rice. Give it a good taste. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm. The lemon really comes out on this chicken. It is so good. It's a healthy recipe. It's very easy to make. Highly recommend you to try it. Thank you for coming to Tony RV Cooking. I would like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see me make in my tiny RV kitchen. Leave a comment down below if you made any of these great recipes or what you'd like to see me make. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time with Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!